Hello there and welcome to my latest video. This video is going to be a little bit different in that I'm hoping that it's going to be one in a series of videos where I'm going to be tracking my progress on becoming a Master Gardener. So this is the manual for the Master Gardener program that I started just a couple of weeks ago, and I thought I would make a series of videos tracking my progress in the Master Gardener program. So as you can see, this manual is pretty extensive. As a resident of Illinois, I'm taking this program through the University of Illinois Extension Master Gardener program. The mission of the program, the mission of the Illinois program, is helping others learn to grow. It's a volunteer program. Master Gardeners are first and foremost volunteer community educators. They may or may not have experience gardening, but they should have a desire to learn and to teach others. Master Gardeners come from many backgrounds and have varied interests, skills and networks of associations that they bring to the University of Illinois Extension. They should be eager to learn and open to new or different ideas about gardening that include research-based information. They should be willing and able to volunteer at least 60 hours within 2 years to the local University of Illinois Extension office. So the Master Gardener program is fundamentally a volunteer program. You go through several hours of training, which I've just started with botany. In my case, I'm taking it online, completely online. So the Master Gardener program is, as you can see from this manual, a pretty extensive and exhaustive training in all things horticultural. But the most important thing about the Master Gardener program in all states across the US is that it's a volunteer program. When you become a Master Gardener, in fact, in order to call yourself a Master Gardener, you have to volunteer in your local community. So within 2 years of becoming a Master Gardener, and in order to retain the title of Master Gardener, you have to volunteer at least 60 hours of your time over a 2-year period. And that's part of the program that I'm really looking forward to, is giving back. I've enjoyed gardening all my life, particularly in the last 25 years in this house where we've developed this garden. And I'm looking forward, 1, to deepening my gardening knowledge, and 2, to giving back to the community. So what I plan to do with this series of videos, as I go through this training, is to share my learning with you, and eventually to apply some of that learning to the YouTube videos that I'm making, so that they become, 1, more enjoyable for me to make, and 2, hopefully more useful for you, the viewer. So here's the list of topics that this Master Gardener manual covers. Botany, which I've done and passed the exam. Each section has an exam, by the way, with a final exam. So botany, soils and fertilizers, propagation, diagnosis, diseases, insects, weeds, IPM and pesticide safety, living with wildlife, vegetables, herbs, small fruits, tree fruits, nuts, lawns, ornamental grasses, annuals and perennials, trees, shrubs and woody vines, roses, bulbs, landscaping, organic gardening, houseplants. So that's quite an extensive list. I'm really looking forward to working my way through the training and sharing it with you. So thanks for watching. Oh, and I didn't introduce myself. My name is Mark. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, thanks for joining us. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you're going to get some value out of the series of videos that I've got planned on becoming a Master Gardener. So maybe you're thinking of becoming a Master Gardener in your state. If so, hopefully this series of videos will offer some encouragement. Or maybe you've worked with or you know a Master Gardener. If so, let us know in the comments what kind of experiences you've had with working with a Master Gardener.